Yeah, give the dog some liverwurst.
This is so good. You want some? You want some?
Ew, no,
She's
Mom,
afraid of it.
gross.
Come here.
Want some liverwurst?
She's afraid.
The dog, I can smell it from here.
Come here.
I don't blame her. That's
Come here. It's so good. Here you go. Here. Oh, it's good. Here you go. What kind of dog is afraid of liverwurst? Here you go. Here you go. It's good. Look at Mommy. Look. Oh, it's good. It's good. Try it.
The dogs like liver.
I thought so too. I'm afraid of it.
obviously this dog. She's
Here, just try it anyway.
She's just
Try it
big.
anyway.
She doesn't like it.
Come here, come here, come here.